All right, there's a few things um, that I'm conflicted about, basically, about what I want to do. First of all, there's like a lot of technical things. The fact that the responses are disappearing when it's a bad response on the rag bots, that is not good. Um, the what other problems do we got here? There's another big one that I wasn't. The browser bot, not being able to escape the browser bot, and then the third one is just making a button to make a review bot, all of which would save me a lot of time. But I did realize something just now because like previously, I would make a demo and then stop streaming so that I could uh, go on Canva to make the demo video, which I like the process for making a video on Canva, because once I figured out you can add you can do like one video per page. So then each page is less than a minute, which means that I can use any single page. I can use it for a short, or like to remix whatever, or I can or I can turn it into a GIF, which I can put in an email. Um, And also, it's just like before, it was like I would have to, if the chatbot messed up, and I want to have a perfect video on the demo, then I would have to like start over. But now it's like I just do each of the bots in the demo. I do them one page each. So if it's messes up, I just start over that page. I don't have to start over the whole entire video. So that's great. But this morning when I was making those demos, I realized I just wanted to keep going. I didn't want to interrupt the flow. And then what I realized is that I can, first of all, I can clip a live stream. So that's a quick and easy way. If there's like just a one little section, I can clip it. Secondly, I assume like I don't want to edit live streams. That seems like a lot of time, and I don't want to have to search through a long live stream of my own insane ramblings to find like the part where there's a specific demo. Um, but first of all, if I have like a lot of demos, if I have like 30 of them, and like if then when I get to doing that, it's like okay, it's the process. Once I do the process correctly once or twice, I can just repeat it over and over again. So it's going to be easier, just the actual editing, because the actual editing of a live stream has always been confusing to me, um, in YouTube. But the other thing is that I realize is that what I can do, right, is go on Gemini. Why does it keep on doing that? I can go on Gemini and I can ask it like, what part of this video did I do this demo? And I should be able to get good answers. And then so I have to like search myself. I can uh, use that method. So let's see if my stream from this morning is processed. Where does it tell me whether or not it's processed? When I looked, I could tell right away whether or not it was processed. Um, 'cause if it's not processed, then Gemini can't do anything with it. But, yeah, I definitely have an issue where it's like I've done so many demos and a lot of them I've been streaming while I had tested them, and, I just keep making more because it's, like, gonna take more time to go back and find the old demo and fix it up and find the video or make a video than to just generate a whole bunch more because each day that goes by, my process is improving. Um, oh, this video is a live stream from BBC News. Oh, it's about the election dynamics. What the hell? That is not correct. Not even close. Let's see. Demos and demos.
The YouTube video, Demos and Demos, by McGavin McGee is a live stream where the creator is working on technical tasks, specifically generating demos for SEO companies. The main points discussed in the video are, working on demos. The creator decides to work on various demos to alleviate anxiety, starting with Hong Kong demos, then Taiwan demos, trying to make them more Chinese-friendly without editing core files, and finally, demos for Australian ICO companies, 053. Automation goal. The long-term goal is creation process to be able to produce 50 demos a day, 345. The creator notes that automation is usually born out of annoyance from repeatedly performing a slow task, 358. Technical challenges and fixes. The creator works on creating JSON LD objects for websites, 636. A fatal error occurs because functions are being defined twice when chaining files. The solution is to wrap each function definition in a check to see if it is already defined, 2203. The creator tries to find page names in non-English for a Chinese language website, SDMC, which proves difficult, 2446. Demo company analysis, SDMC and Acropix, SDMC, Hong Kong, Shenzhen. The creator successfully parses the company's JSON object and uploads it to a vector database, noting the company is a large technology firm with thousands of employees, 30 to 44. Acropix. The creator attempts to integrate a script to automatically find the company's social media links, LinkedIn, and incorporates this into the overall JSON object creation process, 1 hour 10 minutes and 5 seconds. GetClicks Hong Kong. The creator works on this company, successfully getting the LinkedIn URL into the JSON object, but runs into issues with the final data retrieval from the vector database, leading to debugging of the entire chain of files, 2 minutes and 20.
I'm guessing that that one hasn't been processed yet. Also, those videos were both partially blocked due to copyright. So it's possible that that is the reason why it's unable to figure out what's in the video. Are you still not done? All right, my eyes are killing me, so it is time to go into dark mode.
This video, titled GraphBots by the channel McGavin McGee, is a live stream where the creator works on and discusses the automation of a complex suite of AI-powered tools designed for SEO agencies. The video is essentially a deep dive into the technical process of building and testing a demo creation chain, which the developer plans to fully automate for sales outreach. Key discussion points in development focus. Automation goal. The central theme is automating the creation of a chatbot suite for SEO companies, which includes a blog bot, postmaker bot, review bot, and a retrieval augmented generation bot, RAGBot 029. The graph as the trigger. The core of the system is the creation of a graph, a large JSON object, for each company, which represents the entire content structure of their website, 37 to 31. The goal is for this graph creation to be the trigger for the entire automated demo creation chain. The automation chain. The planned end-to-end process is graph creation, the trigger, RAGBot, for Q&A based on the site content, review bot, feed bot, browser bot, postmaker bot, manifest creation, to package and orchestrate the bots, automated email, to the company with the demo link, 47 to 50, live coding and troubleshooting. List building. The developer attempts to generate a list of WordPress SEO companies in Iowa to use as test subjects, 255, but runs into humorous AI issues, including the large language model responding in Cantonese, Mandarin, 326, and providing incorrect company locations, e.g., Mac Digital Design is in New Jersey, not Iowa, 1534. Vector database costs. He discusses the architecture and cost of the OpenAI vector database, concluding that the charge is based on the tokens used in the query and retrieved content, not the overall size of the database, but small databases are still helpful for organization, 2301. Demo testing, WebSpec. He successfully creates and tests a full demo for a company called WebSpec, demonstrating the working RAGBot, 1 hour 8 minutes and 16 seconds, and BrowserBot, 1 hour 23 minutes and 53 seconds. The Manifest Challenge. Bot orchestration. The final and most frustrating challenge discussed is the manifest, a file meant to give the AI self-awareness to correctly choose the best bot tool.
Okay, so it said that there was a successful web spec demo at 1:08. So at the very least, what I could do is make a clip of that, but also um, I can attempt to create a clip from it. So we got a postmaker bot, we got a rag bot, we got a review bot, we got a blog bot, we got a browser bot. Let's start with the blog bot. Yeah, this is not, see, it doesn't even have manifest. It's showing them the actual file names. It's because it doesn't have a manifest. Once it has a manifest, the manifest maps like friendly names to file names. And there is like a part of the prompt is to create friendly names for these, but it sometimes doesn't, sometimes doesn't. Amplimark, SEO, of course. We always want to hear about SEO. or GEO. Back, but other than that, it works fine. Because it's like, well, it doesn't have the keyword generative engine optimization, but generative engine optimization, that sucks. Generally speaking, is AI and SEO. So this brought me to. I closed July 29th, 2025, so they're not. What's happening here? I closed the screen. Where was I? For the next. What? I'm just getting a white screen here. So that's not going to work as a. Okay. Well. In theory, that could be helpful. Let me see here. GraphBots, Code Purgatory. Geo. Okay, Code Purgatory is partially blocked. So I guess I'll just not play any music on this stream so that it doesn't get a copyright problem, and then make a whole bunch more demos, and then hopefully I will be able to use that method to chop up the demos from the YouTube stream in the future. But so the problem is, yeah, I should do like Taiwan demos and Australia demos right now. But that's why I like to just start with a new place, because I already have like a bunch of Australian demos and Taiwan demos, and they're in various states of completeness, and then it's like, do I just abandon the ones or overwrite the ones I already did, or? But it's like it probably takes more time to fix the ones that I did before that aren't good than to um, than to just make new ones. And like the Taiwan web designs, that looks very complete. But I think I already have a video for Taiwan web designs. All right. Let's just move forward with things. Okay, Taiwan, let's start from the bottom. You can't be here unless you started at the bottom, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so we got JC Web. J A B C D E F G H I J. JC Web 957. Yunlin. NLPQRST. We don't have Yunlin. TaiwanSEOcompany.com. Yeah, okay. Wait, so there's all of those. MTMG? No. 957? No. CT Max? No. William Wong 5. I'm going to say that's a no. I think I do already have a Taiwan vector store, so this is going to be annoying as well to. All right, well, let me check on whether or not I already have a Taiwan vector store. I do not. Perfect. Okay, so this is Feedbots, this is Switcher, and I need one more window. Which is going to be the graph bots. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure why I did that. Because what I really need is, oh, this is already the graph bots. Man, I am so confused. Okay. But we'll move it over to Feedbots, I guess, and then patch. Whoops, that was not the plan. Okay, we have this list of Vietnamese companies in here. And so we're going to replace that list with the Taiwan list. Where did my Taiwan list go? There it is. All right, and now I just need to take out all of the extra TaiwanSEOcompany.com ones. Taiwan Web Designs, I've definitely already done. Gremlinworks, I think I already did. Yeah, I think I did Yes Harris. I definitely did Leo Online. I think I did Sonar Incorporated already. Abu.ai. I did SEO Whoops. I did. All right, and that's good. Oh, what the fuck just happened? I did not do that right. Did I already close down Gemini? In a code box with only the URLs, one per line. Okay, and then here we go. Ooh. So I guess I could work on some video. I could look at which ones I've already made or whatever, but I don't want to do that. So instead, I'm going to look through my Google saved items and just read about SEO. Actually, before I do that, just look in some new articles out of Taiwan. Hong Kong company, uh, how do they do? 整理留下提供 SEO HK 优化服务. Are you also a Hong Kong company? Damn. How is AI search different from Google search? A guide for B2B manufacturers. I feel like I already looked at that. Oh, we've got Thai language in here. Oh no. Yeah, primal.co.th. That is definitely a Thailand company, not a Taiwan company. That said, I really should do Thailand because apparently Thailand is the SEO, uh, like that's where a lot of people that are doing well in SEO, they move to Thailand because they can do it from anywhere, right? So, um, let's get ChatGPT going on a Thailand list. Make a list of SEO agencies, consultants, and freelancers in Thailand. Anybody in the realm of digital marketing is fine. make sure that they are located in Thailand and not just serving Thailand. I don't need any more information about them, only the URL. Agencies and individual freelancers are both okay. I just need them to have their own website. English language or Thai language, both are okay. If they are based remotely in Thailand, that is acceptable. All right, so we got that list going. Let's check back in on the parser. Oh shit. Um, where is it? There it is. I need to change the city from Vietnam to Taiwan. Done. But unfortunately, let's see, we already got just one. We have one, and it's only 3.48 studio to point. Working on right now is not a Taiwan one. But whatever. I don't know. I think I need to do a little bit of reading about SEO just because. But if I do a lot of demos, then I will be able to chop them up into videos. That's kind of the idea here. An article from today, ChatGPT's shopping traffic is going fast, but new study says it won't catch Google search and conversions revenue anytime soon. Actually, I don't know if I can read. I need to shut my eyes. Actually, um, you know what I should do is just Just go listen to these and probably sleep for a while, and then when I come back, we'll see where we at here. Yeah, I think I'll just try to listen to the articles and sleep for a while.